Welcome friends to another session on mathematical modeling. We will continue with the car following models. Traffic models part 3. Car following models. In the last session, we have seen the model development and started with the stability analysis of the model. As we have discussed, two particular types of stabilities are examined: local stability and asymptotic stability. Local stability is concerned with the response of the following vehicle to a fluctuation in the motion of the vehicle directly in front of it. That is, it is concerned with the localized behavior between pairs of vehicles. We have done the local stability analysis in detail in the last session. Now let us discuss asymptotic stability in this session. Asymptotic stability is concerned with the manner in which a fluctuation in the motion of any vehicle, say the lead vehicle of a platoon, is propagated through a line of vehicles. Asymptotic stability. In the local stability analysis, the behavior of one vehicle following another was considered. Here, a platoon of vehicles, except for the platoon leader, follows the vehicle ahead according to the linear car following equation. Xf double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda into xl dot t minus xf dot t. The criteria necessary for asymptotic stability or instability were first investigated by considering the Fourier components of the speed fluctuation of a platoon leader. The set of equations which attempts to describe a line of n identical car driver units is xn plus 1 double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda into xn dot t minus xn plus 1 dot t, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. capital N. Any specific solution to these equations depends on the velocity profile of the lead vehicle of the platoon u naught t and the two parameters lambda and capital T. For any intervehicle spacing, if a disturbance grows in amplitude, then a collision would eventually occur somewhere back in the line of vehicles. While numerical solutions to equation 2 can determine at what point such an event would occur, the interest is to determine the criteria for the growth or decay of such a disturbance. Since the arbitrary speed pattern can be expressed as a linear combination of monochromatic components by Fourier analysis, the specific profile of a platoon lead can be simply represented by one component, that is by a constant together with the monochromatic oscillation with frequency omega and amplitude f naught, that is u naught t is equal to a naught plus f naught e raised to I omega t, and the speed profile of the nth vehicle by u n t is equal to a naught plus f n e raised to I omega t. Substituting equations 3 and 4 into equation 2 yields u n of t is equal to a naught plus f of omega lambda t n into e raised to I omega of omega lambda t capital T n, where the amplitude factor f of omega lambda t n is given by 1 plus omega by lambda the whole square plus 2 into omega by lambda sin omega t the whole raised to minus n by 2, which decreases with increasing n if 1 plus omega by lambda square plus 2 into omega by lambda sin omega t is greater than 1. That is, if omega by lambda is greater than 2 sin omega t. The severest restriction on the parameter lambda arises from the frequency range, since in the limits as omega tends to 0, lambda must satisfy the inequality lambda t is less than half into limit omega tends to 0 of omega t by sin omega t. Accordingly, asymptotic stability is ensured for all frequencies where the inequality is satisfied. For those values of omega within the physically realizable frequency range of vehicular speed oscillations, the right hand side of the inequality 6 has a short range of values of 0.5 to about 0.52. The asymptotic stability criteria divides the two parameter domain into stable and unstable regions as illustrated graphically in figure 1. The criteria for local stability also ensure asymptotic stability. It has been shown that the speed fluctuation can be approximated by xn plus 1 of t is approximately equal to u naught t into 4 pi n by lambda into 1 by 2 lambda minus t the whole raised to minus half into exponential t minus n by lambda by 4 n by lambda into 1 by 2 lambda minus t. Hence, the speed of propagation of the disturbance with respect to the moving traffic stream in number of inter-vehicle separations per second n by t is lambda. That is, the time required for the disturbance to propagate between the pairs of vehicle is lambda raised to minus 1, a constant which is independent of the response time capital T. It is noted that in the propagation of a speed fluctuation, the amplitude of the disturbance grows as the response time capital T approaches 1 by 2 lambda until instability is reached. Thus, while lambda t is less than 0.5 ensures stability, short reaction times increase the range of sensitivity coefficient lambda that ensures stability. From a practical viewpoint, small reaction times also reduce relatively large responses to a given stimulus, or in contrast, larger response times require relatively large responses to a given stimulus. Acceleration fluctuations can be correspondingly analyzed. Now, we will see next nearest vehicle coupling. In the nearest neighbor vehicle following model, the motion of each vehicle in a platoon is determined solely by the motion of the vehicle directly in the front. The effect of including the motion of the next nearest neighbor vehicle, that is the car which is 2 vehicles ahead in addition to the vehicle in front, can be ascertained. An approximation to this type of control is the model xn plus 2 double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda 1 into xn plus 1 dot t minus xn plus 2 dot t plus lambda 2 into xn dot t minus xn plus 2 dot t. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 into t is less than half omega t by sin omega t, which in the limit omega tends to 0 is lambda 1 plus lambda 2 into t is greater than half. This equation states that the effect of adding next nearest neighbor coupling to the control element is to the first order to increase lambda 1 to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. This reduces the value that lambda 1 can have and still maintain asymptotic stability. Let us now move on to steady state flow. This section discusses the properties of steady state traffic flow based on car following models of single lane traffic flow. In particular, the associated speed spacing or equivalent speed concentration relationships as well as the flow concentration relationships for single lane traffic flow are allowed. First is the linear case. The equations of motion for a single lane of traffic described by the linear car following model are given by xn plus 1 double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda into xn dot t minus xn plus 1 dot t, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. In order to interrelate one steady state to another under this control, assume up to a time t equal to 0, each vehicle is travelling at a speed ui and that the intervehicle spacing is si. Suppose that at t equal to 0, the lead vehicle undergoes a speed change and increases or decreases its speed so that its final speed after time t is uf. A specific numerical solution of this type of transition is shown in figure 2. In this example, c is equal to lambda t is equal to 0.47, so that the stream of traffic is stable and speed fluctuations are damped. Any case where the asymptotic stability criteria is satisfied assures that each following vehicle comprising the traffic stream eventually reaches a state travelling at the speed uf. In the transition from a speed ui to uf, the intervehicle spacing s changes from si to sf, where sf is equal to si plus lambda inverse into uf minus ui. This result follows directly from the solution to the car following equation L inverse of c into c plus s e raised to s, the whole inverse into s. Equation 12 also follows from the elementary considerations by integration of equation 11. This result is not directly dependent to the time lag capital T, except that for this result to be valid, the time lag small t must allow the equation of motion to form stable stream of traffic. Since vehicle spacing is the inverse of traffic stream concentration k, the speed concentration relation corresponding to equation 12 is kf inverse is equal to Ki inverse plus lambda inverse into Uf minus Ui. The significance of the equations 12 and 13 is that first one, they link an initial steady state to a second arbitrary steady state, and second one, they establish relationships between macroscopic traffic stream variables involving a microscopic car following parameter lambda. In this respect, they can be used to test the applicability of the car following model in describing the overall properties of single lane traffic flow. For stopped traffic, Ui is equal to 0 and the corresponding spacing S0 is composed of vehicle length and bumper to bumper inter-vehicle spacing. The concentration corresponding to a spacing S0 is denoted by Ki and is frequently referred to as the jam concentration. Given Ki, the equation 13 for an arbitrary traffic state defined by speed u and the concentration K becomes u is equal to lambda into K inverse minus Kj inverse. A comparison of this relationship was made with a specific set of reported observations for a case of a single line traffic flow. This comparison is shown in figure 3 and leads to an estimate of 0.60 per second for lambda. This estimate of lambda implies an upper bound for t which is approximately equal to 0.8 seconds for an asymptotic stable traffic stream using this facility. While this fit and these values are not unreasonable, a fundamental problem is identified with this form of an equation for a speed spacing relationship. Because it is linear, this relationship does not lead to a reasonable description of traffic flow. This is illustrated in figure 4 where the same data is regraphed. Here graph is in the form of a normalized flow versus a normalized concentration together with the corresponding theoretical steady state result derived from equation 14. That is, Q is equal to Uk which is equal to lambda into 1 minus K by Kj. The inability of equation 15 to exhibit the required qualitative relationship between flow and concentration to the modification of the linear car following equation. Let us now see nonlinear models. The linear car following model specifies an acceleration response which is completely independent of vehicle spacing. That is, for a given relative velocity, response is the same whether the vehicle following distance is small or if the spacing is relatively large. Qualitatively, we would expect that the response to a given relative speed to increase with smaller spacings. In order to attempt to take this effect into account, the linear model is modified by supposing that the gain factor lambda is not a constant but is inversely proportional to the vehicle spacing. That is, lambda is equal to lambda 1 by S of t which is equal to lambda 1 by xn t minus xn plus 1 t, where lambda 1 is a new parameter assumed to be a constant and which shall be referred to as the sensitivity coefficient. Using equation 16 in equation 11, our car following equation is xn plus 1 double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda 1 by xn t minus xn plus 1 t into xn dot t minus xn plus 1 dot t for n equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. As in the earlier case, by assuming the parameters are such that the traffic stream is stable, this equation can be integrated yielding the steady state relation for speed and concentration. U is equal to lambda 1 log of Kj by K, and for steady state flow and concentration, Q is equal to lambda 1 into K into log Kj by K, where again it is assumed that for u equal to 0, the spacing is equal to an effective vehicle length L is equal to K inverse. These relations for steady state flow are identical to those obtained from considering the traffic stream to be approximated by a continuous compressible fluid with the property that disturbances are propagated with a constant speed with respect to the moving medium. For our nonlinear car following equation, infinitesimal disturbances are propagated with speed lambda 1. This is consistent with that regarding the speed of propagation of the disturbance per vehicle pair. It can be shown that if the propagation time t naught is directly proportional to the spacing, that is T naught is approximately equal to S, equations 18 and 19 are obtained where the constant ratio S by T naught is identified as the constant lambda 1. These two approaches are not analogous. In the fluid analogy case, the speed spacing relationship is followed at every instant before, during and after the disturbance. In the case of car following during the transition phase, the speed spacing and therefore the flow concentration relationship does not describe the state of the traffic stream. A solution to any particular set of equations for the motion of a traffic stream specifies departures from the steady state. This is not the case for simple headway models or hydrodynamical approaches to single lane traffic flow, because in these cases any small speed change, once the disturbance arrives, each vehicle instantaneously relaxes to the new speed at the proper spacing. This emphasizes the shortcoming of these alternate approaches. They cannot take into account the behavioral and physical aspects of disturbances. In the case of car following models, the initial phase of a disturbance arrives at the nth vehicle downstream from the vehicle initiating the speed change at a time n-1 into t seconds after the onset of the fluctuation. The time it takes vehicles to reach the changed speed depends on the parameter lambda for the linear model and lambda 1 for the nonlinear model, subject to the restriction that lambda inverse is greater than t or lambda 1 is less than s by t respectively. These restrictions assure that the signal speed can never precede the initial phase speed of a disturbance. For the linear case, the restriction is more than satisfied for an asymptotic stable traffic stream. For small speed changes, it is also satisfied for the nonlinear model by assuming that the stability criteria results for the linear case yields a bound for the stability in the nonlinear case. Hence, the inequality lambda t by s star less than 0.5 provides a sufficient stability condition for the non-linear case, where S star is the minimum spacing occurring during the transition from one steady state to another. Before discussing a more general form for the sensitivity coefficient, that is equation 16, the same data plotted in figure 3 and 4 are graphed in figure 5 and 6 together with the steady state relations. Figure 5 gives the speed versus vehicle concentration and figure 6 gives the normalized flow versus normalized vehicle concentration. The fit of the data to the steady state relation via the method of least squares is good, and the resulting values for lambda 1 and k are 27.7 km per hour and 142 vehicle per kilometer respectively. Assuming that this data is a representative sample of this facility's traffic, the value 27.7 km per hour is an estimate not only of the sensitivity coefficient for the nonlinear car following model, but it is the characteristic speed for the roadway under consideration. The corresponding vehicle concentration at maximum flow, that is when u equal to lambda 1, is e raised to minus l kj. This predicts a roadway capacity of lambda 1 into e raised to minus l into kj of about approximately 1400 vehicles per hour. A noted undesirable property of equation 19 is that the tangent dq by dt is infinite at k equal to 0, whereas a linear relation between flow and concentration would more accurately describe traffic near zero concentration. This is not a serious defect in the model, since car following models are not applicable for low concentrations where spacing are large and the coupling between vehicles are weak. However, this property of the model did suggest the following alternative form for the gain factor: lambda is equal to lambda 2 into xn plus 1 dot t plus t by xn t minus xn plus 1 t the whole square. This leads to the following expression for a car following model: xn plus 1 double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda 2 into xn plus 1 dot of t plus t by xn t minus xn plus 1 t the whole square into xn dot t minus xn plus 1 dot t. This can be integrated giving the following steady state equations. U is equal to uf into e raised to minus k by km and q is equal to uf into k into e raised to minus k by km, where uf is the Freeman speed, that is the speed of the traffic stream near zero concentration, and km is the concentration when the flow is the maximum. In this case, the sensitivity coefficient lambda 2 can be identified as km inverse. The speed at optimal flow is E inverse into uf, which correspond to the speed of propagation of a disturbance with respect to the moving traffic stream. This model predicts a finite speed uf near zero concentration. Ideally, this speed concentration relation should be translated to the right in order to more completely take into account observations that the speed of the traffic stream is independent of the vehicle concentration for low concentrations. That is, u is equal to uf for 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to kf, and u is equal to uf into exponential minus of k minus kf by km, where kf corresponds to a concentration where vehicle to vehicle interactions begin to take place, so that the stream speed begins to decrease with increasing concentration. Assuming that interactions take place at a spacing of about 120 meters, kf would have a value of about 8 vehicles per kilometer. Greenshield's empirical model for a speed concentration relation is given by u is equal to uf into 1 minus k by kj, where uf is the Freeman speed and km is the jam concentration. The particular model can be derived in the following elementary way, and the equation 25 is rewritten as u is equal to uf into 1 minus L by S. Differentiating both sides with respect to time obtains u dot is equal to uf into L by S square into S dot, which after introduction of a time lag is for the n plus 1th vehicle, xn plus 1 double dot of t plus t is equal to uf into L by xn t minus xn plus 1 t the whole square into xn dot t minus xn plus 1 dot t. The gain factor is uf L by xn t minus xn plus 1 t the whole square. The above mentioned procedure demonstrates an alternative technique at arriving at stimulus response equations from relatively elementary considerations. The technique does presuppose that a speed spacing relation reflects detailed psychophysical aspects of how one vehicle follows another. To summarize the car following equation considered, we have xn plus 1 double dot of t plus t is equal to lambda into xn dot t minus xn plus 1 dot t, where the factor lambda is assumed to be given by the following equation, where the factor lambda is assumed to be given by the following: a constant lambda is equal to lambda naught, a term inversely proportional to the spacing lambda is equal to lambda 1 by S, and a term proportional to the speed and inversely proportional to the spacing squared lambda is equal to lambda 2 into u by S square, and a term inversely proportional to the spacing squared lambda is equal to lambda 3 by S square. These models can be considered to be special cases of a more general expression for the gain factor, namely lambda is equal to ALM xn plus 1 raised to m of t plus t by xn t minus xn plus 1 t the whole raised to L, where ALM is a constant to be determined experimentally. Model specification is to be determined on the basis of the degree to which it presents a consistent description of actual traffic phenomena. Equations 30 and 31 provide a relatively broad framework insofar as steady state phenomena is concerned. Using these equations and integrating over time, we have Fm of u is equal to A into Fl of S plus B, whereas before u is the steady state speed of the traffic stream, S is the steady state spacing, and A and B are appropriate constant consistent with the physical restrictions, and where Fp of x for p equal to m or L is given by Fp of x is equal to x raised to 1 minus p, for p not equal to 1, and Fp of x is equal to L into Nx for p equal to 1. The integration constant B is related to the Freeman speed or the jam concentration depending on the specific values of m and L. for m greater than 1 and L not equal to 1, or m equal to 1 and L greater than 1, B is equal to Fm of UF and B is equal to minus AFL of L for all other combinations of m and L except L less than 1 and m equal to 1. For these cases where L is less than 1 and m equal to 1, it is not possible to satisfy either the boundary condition at k equal to 0 or kj, and the integration constant can be assigned arbitrarily. Using equations 32 to 36 and the definition of steady state flow, we can obtain the relationships between speed, concentration and flow. Before we conclude, let us summarize what we have learned in this session. We have started our discussion with asymptotic stability analysis of the car following models. We have also seen next nearest vehicle coupling in the model. Then we discussed steady state flow considering examples. With this, we come to an end of the car following models. Here are some exercise problems that you can try out for a better understanding of the topic. First one, explain why a density wave moves forward for light traffic. Consider both cases in which the traffic is getting heavier down the road and lighter. Second problem, for very light traffic, we know that increased traffic density does not appreciably reduce a car's velocity. In this case, what is the velocity of a density wave? Here are some books for further reading. First one is Notes on Traffic Flow by Childress Stephen. Second one, Comparison of Car Following Models by Alstom, John Jansen and Andrea Stephanie in 2004. Third one, Modules in Applied Mathematics Volume 1, Differential Equation Models by editors Martin Brown, C.S. Coleman, D.A. Drew, Springer Verlag 1982. And fourth one, Modules in Applied Mathematics Volume 3, Discrete and System Models by W.F. Lucas, F.S. Roberts, R.M. Thrall, Springer Verlag 1982. With this, we come to an end of this session. We will continue with mathematical modeling in another session. Till then, goodbye.